Brake.
Well, you can hold the brakes 2 or 3 seconds.
Okay.
So you don't have to initially just let off the brake. We'll let him come down this way.
Sure.
In case something happens.
Absolutely. I'm
So
all
you
for
can
that.
sit there, and once you put your foot down, so it's going to hold the car at the dialed-in number, which we've got around 1500.
1500, yeah.
And then just let your foot off the brake, and then it goes.
Okay.
Stop. Okay, got to be faster on the throttle.
Okay. So launch control.
Launch control's still on.
Okay.
Now I just see?
Okay. Wow. I felt the difference there.
Yeah,
I see what you mean, how you can hold it, but yeah, I wasn't quick enough on the.
Yeah, and it's
So it kind of.
Yeah, when I came in this morning, it's like launch control is broken. It's not working on this car. No, you got to be faster than that.
Because that's different in the Challenger then. Like the Challenger has.
This one's a little more sensitive.
I think I like the Charger setup more than